Hello, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Ordonez. We're going to read another book about plants today. This book is called Plant Packages, a book about seeds. I want you to think about the other books that we read throughout the week and just think about what are some things you have learned about seeds from all of these books. So again, this book is nonfiction, so it tells facts or true information. Throughout the book, I just want you to think, what else would you like to find out about seeds? This here is a table of contents, and these are the things we're going to read about today. So we have all kinds of seeds, how seeds travel, from seed to plant, seed sayings, fun facts, words to know, two kinds of seeds, and to learn more, and an index, okay? All kinds of seeds. A seed is like a little package. Everything the seed needs to make a new plant is inside the package. Seeds come tucked into fruit, cones, pods, and flower heads. They come in all sizes and shapes and colors. Some seeds are big, some seeds are almost too small to see. They look like specks of dust. Some seeds are good to eat. What seeds have you eaten? Rice, beans, corn, popcorn, sunflower seeds, cocoa beans, pecans, peas, or peanuts. How seeds travel. Seeds cannot move on their own, but a seed from a tree over here can grow into a tree over here. How do seeds move from place to place? Some seeds are shaped like wings and twirl to the ground. Some seeds are light and catch the breeze. Some seeds are inside heavy cones or pods. They bounce and scatter when they fall. Some seeds have barbs and burrs. They stick to socks and fur. People and animals carry them from place to place. Many seeds are food for animals. Birds, insects, and little animals carry seeds from place to place. They eat the seeds and leave them in their droppings. From seed to plant. A plant makes lots and lots of seeds. Most of the seeds will not find a place to grow, but some will. Some seeds will hit the ground in a good spot. Some will get buried by animals. Some will get planted by people like you. If you want to grow a pumpkin patch, choose a sunny spot. The soil should be dark and crumbly. Use a shovel to loosen the soil. Use a rake to make it smooth. And here are your garden tools. You have a hoe, a rake, a trowel, and a shovel. Oh, and you can't forget your watering can right here. Scatter the seeds on the ground, then cover them with a little dirt. Do not put them too close together. They need plenty of room to grow. Sprinkle them with water. Wait, water, and watch. After a week or so, the pumpkin seeds will sprout. Green shoots will reach for the sun. The shoots will grow leaves. Pull out some shoots so that the plants are not crowded. Pull any weeds you see. Weed, wait, water, and watch. The shoots will grow into a pumpkin vine. You will see yellow flowers on the vine. Weed, wait, water, and watch. The yellow flowers will become little green pumpkins on the vine. The pumpkins are the fruit. The pumpkins will get big and ripe. Wouldn't right now, during October, be an awesome time to plant some pumpkins? Harvest the pumpkins. Scoop out the seeds and save them to plant in your next pumpkin patch. You will have more pumpkins year after year after year. Look, you can make a pumpkin and pull the seeds out, and you guys can make jack-o'-lanterns right now if you guys planted pumpkins. That'd be cool, huh? So these are some seed sayings, some fun facts, and some words to know. You guys can pause the video here to take a look at them and read them. And there's more stuff on this side too. There are two kinds of seeds, a corn seed and a bean seed. You can read this cool information and take a look at the diagrams showing the difference between both of the seeds. All right, that's it for plant packages, guys. Thanks for reading with me today.